Hi, I'm going to show you how to do the weather lab. First thing you're going to need is a paper copy of this lab, unless you're doing it digitally, but it is easier to do it on paper. Second thing you're going to do is you're going to need to open this website right here. It is also going to be linked on a learning plan or in Canvas for you. I've already opened it on a secondary tab. What you're going to be doing is you are going to be putting in a given set of variables and then make a prediction based upon this given set of air mass variables and ocean currents. You're going to explain and predict what you should wear where these two air masses will meet. What type of weather would you expect and why? It might be easier for me just to show you how to do this in the lab. I'm going to do the first one with you. The first one is Pacific Ocean Gyre, which is one of the ocean currents in our oceans, the Pacific Ocean to be specific. We're going to have two air masses interacting, a maritime tropical and a continental tropical. So what you would do is you would go over to the website, launch the app, and it'll look like this. First thing you have to do is put in your variables. As I said earlier, we have a Pacific Ocean Gyre. It'll tell you a little bit about the Pacific Ocean Gyre. We have then a maritime tropical. It'll tell you a little bit about the maritime tropical and where they occur. And then you have to put in a continental tropical. And it'll tell you a little bit about the continental tropical and where they occur. Next thing you do after this is you click Next because you inputted your variables. It'll take you now to this screen where you are now making a prediction as to what weather is going to occur in a certain location. In this case, they're going to say the Southwest. So you have to look at the map and find the Southwest. There it is. It's asking you what type of weather you should expect in these two regions as these two air masses that you have picked with this ocean current interact. So basically, these two air masses are going to meet here in the Southwest. What type of weather and how should you dress? They're asking you for your prediction. So you would go here and you can put your prediction and why. If you're right, you will not have to change it. But if you're wrong, you'll have the ability to change it because the lab self-checks. So I'll go back to here. You look at your three conditions. I have this dry, warm air mass here interacting with this wet, warm air mass here over the Southwest region. Are these two things interacting going to produce heavy rains and flooding that requires me to wear rubber boots? Are they going to be cold, requiring me to put on a winter sweater? Or should I just wear normal school clothes and pack an umbrella just in case it might rain? So I'd have to make a prediction based upon my knowledge of these two air masses, where they would interact, and how this ocean current is moving them. Then all you do, after you've made your prediction over here and what you expect to wear and why, you come back and click your prediction in. And it's okay to be wrong. It's a prediction. Hypotheses sometimes are not supported. I'm going to put in a prediction. I'm going to say it's going to be winter sweater weather and it's going to be cold. Oh no, I'm wrong. Since I'm wrong, I'd have to go back, take out the answers I wrote down and why, and then I get to try again. I now know that it's not winter sweater weather. It's going to be one of these two. Rewrite my prediction or my hypothesis, and then test it again by picking my next idea. So this activity does self-check itself to see if you're right. If you have any questions, please see your teacher, and we will gladly explain this to you better.